Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about camera and helmet mount. For my setup, which I love, is this DJI Action 5 Pro. This is such a great camera. It is easy to operate and settings are, I think it is the best. It is not complicated at all, and I really like it. Especially at night, if you put in night mode, it's such a great quality. It's my favorite camera so far. And one good thing is the battery. It lasts, they say on the website that it's 4 hours, but it really not. Like if you record in 1080p, maybe. But in 4K, yeah, I would say like 2.5 hours. But it's still good, 2.5 hours. The way that it connects to the helmet, it comes with this magnetic mount, so it's pretty much like goes like in place, and you just click, and that's it. So I think it is very good. I put these brackets here to make that, like the correct angle. And one thing that I would tell you is when you connect the camera, make sure that you put the helmet on and sit on a bike and adjust these brackets here, because I notice like sometimes I go on a ride and it is either like too high or too low. So if you have the app open, you can really see the angle. So I'll definitely do that. When it comes to the chin mount, it's actually called chin mount. This company here makes great chin mounts. I'll remove this. Let's see. So it's very like low, like small profile, I would say. And if you go to their website, you can find everything, like for every mount for pretty much every helmet out there. So I use that. And the last thing, so let me put this back here. I'll show you. So the camera back. So I don't like wires all over, and I'm not a big fan of that. And especially because this helmet is modular, so I don't want wires all over. So what I use is the DJI microphone, the second generation, which is really small. And what I did, I put a magnet inside. I actually glued that to the helmet, and I don't think you can see it, but anyway. So if you just put the microphone here. See? So it's all wireless communication. So the microphone goes here, camera here, and it's voice command. So if you say like start recording, you don't even have to touch the camera. All right, so let's get this thing going. I'm gonna head to the highway. So as I was saying, when I did the first test with the Neotech 3, Shoei Neotech 3, I got good results, and I think it was too quiet because I was using the other bike, the GS 1250, which has a big, a nice windscreen, and so I don't think it was that accurate. So at this time, I have the MT-09, and I'll try to do the test with the lid closed and lid open.
and it depends how the highway is. If it is not too busy, then I can do that.
I'm really happy with this setup. I think it's the best one so far. And I hope you really like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you guys soon. Bye.